What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Hey, this is just a quick announcement for my Cooking with CJ crew out there. Sorry, it's a little breezy out here in the backyard, but I'm coming to you from the backyard because I started a new channel where I'm going to be doing all my backyard barbecuing solely on that channel. All right? It's been a long time coming. It's something I've been toying with. I mix these veggies, hold tight. Check on my meat over here. Flip it over. So where was I? All right, so my new channel name is CJ's Q. I will put the link for it up here. Check out my new logo up here. All right, guys, it's gonna be solely barbecue. Like I said, it's something I've wanted to do for a while now. The way I understand how YouTube works, you kind of want to be niche down on things, and it seems that on Cooking with CJ, I'm doing a lot of air fryer, a lot of Blackstone stuff, but I've kind of let the barbecue stuff slide because it doesn't do very well on Cooking with CJ. So for my passion, which is outdoor cooking, I set up another channel just for fun, just to see how it goes. No big deal, all right? But I would appreciate if you guys come over there and subscribe to it. And especially if you're a fan of barbecue, I have a pit boss out here, I have the Weber kettle, I have a pit barrel cooker, combo grill, offset. We're gonna do everything out here. We're gonna have some fun on I'm gonna do my intro, and we're gonna have some fun while we're doing it. All right. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed to CJ's Q on YouTube. I really appreciate it. And guys, another one I want you to subscribe to is the Grill Sergeant on YouTube. I'll put his link for his channel right there. He's the one that came up with my awesome logo for me. I've had him on the hot seat. Great dude. Do me the crows agree. Do me a favor, go over and subscribe to him. I don't often do that. I only want to bring my fans people that I enjoy watching, and Grill Sergeant's definitely one of those. I think he does great things over there. He does some great barbecue. Make sure you check him out. I'll have his link below also. That's it, guys. I appreciate your support on my little YouTube journey. Thank you for being part of CJ's crew. Make sure you're subscribed to CJ's Q and be part of CJ's Q crew. That's one to go. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you sticking by me these years. And let's see what we can do and where we can take this. All right. Take care.